Aloha there, this is Darcy Frankel coming to you from Serious Cleanse. Now, today is your second round of your Serious Cleanse protocol. Remember, if you use a brush, it's so much easier to apply and it goes on thin and it will last for 6 or more treatments. Now, each ingredient in the Serious Cleanse body mask is known to draw out toxins from the body, even radiation. I actually always use the body mask after being exposed to radiation of any kind, such as travel, x-rays of any type, mammograms, even dental x-rays. Now, today, you also have a bonus cleanse called Emotional and Mental Cleansing. In this lesson, we'll explore our emotional intelligence. We'll go deeper still, utilizing contemplation questions. And you'll also experience 2 guided meditations specifically for this lesson, but you can really use them at any time to help you digest heavy emotions. Now, over the next 7 days, I'm going to be rotating in some very specific meditation practices to help you cleanse your emotional body. And you'll probably be surprised at how just a little attention to your inner world can help you digest and process old patterns. One example of emotional cleansing comes from the fact that our issues live in our tissues. One time I was receiving a massage, and when he got to my back, there's this kind of tight cable up my right side of my back. It's a pattern, and the massage therapist was amazing, and he literally just kept going over it and over it in increasingly firm pressure with such skill and attention, moving from the origin to the insertion of the muscle. And we worked together, and I kept breathing. And at one point, I felt this entire area, this entire cable kind of tighten up, and then all of a sudden it released. It was like this huge thorn had been taken out of my back, and then my body took a very deep breath. Actually, it was a series of breaths, and then all of a sudden I just started to cry like a baby. It just came up like a sneeze and I cried for a few minutes, and then it was done. I have no idea what it was related to, what it was connected to, but I know that I released that layer and I felt amazing. And that's a really great example of how our issues live in our tissues. That's what us massage therapists say. And also a way to release. And so during this emotional and mental cleanse, you really have a great opportunity to go deep. So I encourage you to take that. You know, we're not taught how to emote, and we're not taught how to emote well. And so generally we tend to suppress different feelings, and we don't even know that we're doing it. So again, I just really want to encourage you to give yourself the space and the time to drop in and do these practices. You'll thank me later. Okay, now I have a couple of questions for you. How did you feel after your first coffee enema? And how did you feel after doing the intermittent fasting for that duration? Okay, enjoy your lesson and your practices. I'm really eager to hear how it's been for you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Aloha.